Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain a very interesting and innovative project titled Four-Way Hacksaw, a smart and efficient cutting mechanism. This project focuses on how we can make the process of cutting metal and similar materials faster, more efficient and less labor intensive using modern design concepts. In the following slides, I will take you through the problem, the proposed solution, its working components, design and advantages. Introduction. Let's begin with a basic introduction to the problem we are trying to solve. As we know, hacksaws are simple tools used in many workshops and industries for cutting metal and other hard materials. Traditionally, they work manually or in one direction, making them time consuming and labor intensive. With the growth of industrialization, especially in fields like automobile industries, construction, and fabrication, there is an increasing demand for faster and more efficient cutting mechanisms. So, the idea behind this project is to design a four-way hacksaw that can cut in multiple directions at once, improving productivity and reducing human effort. What is a hacksaw? Before we go further, it is important to understand what a hacksaw is. A hacksaw is a hand operated or motor driven tool with a fine tooth blade fixed under tension in a frame. It is mainly used to cut metal rods, pipes, bars, and plates. While manual hacksaw require physical effort, powered hacksaw use motor to drive the blade. The powered version significantly reduces human fatigue and increases speed, making it ideal for repetitive and bulk cutting tasks in industries. Working principle. Now let's understand how the hacksaw actually performs the cutting task. The working principle is based on metal cutting theory, where the blade, which is made out of a harder material than the workpiece, cuts through by applying force. The cutting action takes place through a back and forth or reciprocating motion. As the blade moves, it scrapes or wears away the softer material through abrasion and friction. This process continues until the desired cut is achieved. Project overview. This slide gives us an overall idea of what the project aims to accomplish. Our innovation lies in converting a single direction cutting hacksaw into a four-way mechanism. Using just one motor and well-designed shaft linkage system, we drive four saw blades simultaneously. These blades are positioned to cut in four different directions, allowing for bulk material cutting in a short time. It's a perfect example of optimizing productivity through smart mechanical design. Objective. Let's now talk about the main objectives of this project. First, we aim to reduce physical effort needed in cutting tasks. Second, we want to save time, especially in industries where multiple workpieces need to be cut. Third, we aim to reduce overall production costs by using a single motor to power multiple cutting blades. And finally, the entire machine is designed to be compact, cost effective, and suitable for small to medium scale industries. Features of the four-way hacksaw. The slide highlights the key feature of the proposed system. The machine uses a single DC motor to operate all four hacksaw blades. These blades are arranged perpendicularly to the workpiece, ensuring straight and accurate cuts. The metal frame adds stability and prevents vibration. This allows multiple materials to be cut at once with high efficiency. The system's compactness and smart design make it ideal for production environments. Components used. Here are the important components used in building the machine. Metal frame provides structure and support to all the other parts. DC motor acts as the power source. Link transfer rotatory motion from the motor into reciprocating motion. Vise holds the material or the workpiece firmly to ensure safety and accuracy. Saw frame guides the blade's back and forth motion. Mounts, screws, and bolts secure all the components in a working structure. Motor and shaft mechanism. Let's now understand the core mechanical working. The DC motor provides rotational motion. This motion is then passed to a shaft connected to the linkages. These linkages are specially designed to convert rotatory motion into reciprocating motion. That reciprocating motion is transferred to each of the four saw frames, making the blades move back and forth simultaneously. This enables all four hacksaws to cut at the same time with synchronized motion. Mounting and frame assembly. In this part, we focused on how all the parts are assembled. The hacksaw blades are mounted in opposite directions like north or south or east and west. This way we cover four directions in a compact space. The metal frame holds all the components in place. Sliding guides are added to allow smooth and consistent motion of the blades. Stability and alignment are crucial to ensure clean cuts and avoid accidents. Workpiece holding mechanism. How do we hold the object being cut? We use a vise or holding well. The workpiece is clamped tightly using this fixature. This prevents the object from moving or vibrating during the cutting process, which could otherwise cause inaccuracies or damage. The vise ensures consistent pressure and alignment, helping the machine achieve uniform cuts. Block diagram. Here we look at a simplified block diagram of the system. This diagram shows how all the components, the motor, shaft, linkage, saw frames, and workpiece holder are interconnected. It gives us a bird's eye view of the workflow and the mechanical operation. 3D or CAD view. This slide shows CAD or 3D model images of the system. These images helps us visualize the machine's design before actually building it. They display the arrangement of the hacksaw blades, the position of the motor and shaft, and the overall layout. It helps us to make design corrections and plan the fabrication process. Advantages. Here are the key advantages of the four-way hacksaw system. Significantly faster cutting due to multiple blades working simultaneously, reduced manpower and labor cost, increased production rates, compact and easy to maintain, improved accuracy and quality of cuts. Overall, this machine makes industrial cutting process more efficient. Conclusion. To conclude, the four-way hacksaw machine is a smart and cost-effective innovation suitable for bulk cutting and industries. It simplifies metal cutting by using a single power source to operate four blades, reducing effort and time. In the future, we can improve it further by adding sensors for automation, using CNC programming for precision, and making it compatible with manufacturing technology like Industry 4.0. I hope you have a clear view of this now. Thank you for watching.